because apple farmers across the north of India are a worried lot. They're coming together to protest what they say are apples grown in Iran being illegally imported and marketed as apples from Afghanistan, a country with which India has a free trade agreement.
Of course. In this situation,
apple farmers of Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand are in Srinagar to join hands with fruit growers of Kashmir to protect India's apple industry from what they claim is an invasion by Iranian apple. The farmers say Iranian fruit is making its way into the Indian market as Afghan apple, which is exempt from import duties.
We are demanding the government of India that this should be stopped immediately, otherwise it is going to ruin the apple economy. They are illegally bringing these apples and evading the import duty also.
लगभग सिर्फ 40 रुपए 45 रुपए किलो यहाँ दिल्ली की मार्केट में उतर रहा है आजकल। इस गैर कानूनी रास्ते से नुकसान हो रहा है भारत सरकार के आयात शुल्क को, और साथ साथ हम जो हिमाचल प्रदेश के या जम्मू कश्मीर के किसान बागवान है, उनकी जो आर्थिकी है, रीढ़ की हड्डी है, उसको भी एक बहुत बड़ा नुकसान हमें सहना पड़ रहा है।
Over 18,000 tons of apple has come into the Indian market through Afghanistan route so far this year. Farmers are worried that they may lose market if Iranian apples flood the mandis. Praveen Sharma from Uttarakhand says the fledgling apple growers in his state could bear the maximum brunt as they have small land holdings.
Seeing the challenge that the apple is going to face a challenge because of international players like Iran, who is playing a filthy game of illegal trade. So we have to work together to fight this challenge.
Farmers say off-season import of apple from Afghanistan led to suspicion. Afghanistan has no cold storage facility. An import of apple in the month of February and March, farmers claim, is clear evidence that it's not the Afghan produce that's reaching the Indian mandi.
जो इनका हार्वेस्टिंग पीरियड है वो है सितंबर अक्टूबर, और इस वक्त तो मार्च है। मार्च के अंदर उनके पास ये स्टोरेज फैसिलिटी नहीं है, तो ये से फिर कहां से आ रहा है?
Growers say it is an Iranian apple invasion, and apple growers from Himachal Pradesh, Jammu and Kashmir and Uttarakhand have formed a joint platform to fight it together. Question is, are private players manipulating India-Afghanistan free trade agreement? In Srinagar, Nazir Masoodi, NDTV.